Hello and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of my vegetable container garden for November, and we had a bit of damage due to the change in the weather, sudden drops in temperature, so I'll show you that, do a tour, and I also got some harvesting to do. But before we go there, I want to let you know I have other types of videos on my channel. I have easy to prepare recipes, product reviews, and other videos on container vegetable gardening. So come on, let's go take that tour. First, I'm going to give you a wide angle view of all the containers that I have. And I'm going to walk over to the broccoli rabe. Yeah, we had some. The last 3 nights were in the low 30s, and then last night it dropped down to 20, which is highly unusual for us in November. The broccoli rabe was doing really well. It's still doing well. It got, a little damage, frost damage, but you can see the little broccoli rabe, broccoli robe, however you want to pronounce it. Get some little heads, and these leaves are eatable as well. And I have several plants like this. Here's another one. Got some more of those little. Let me give you a better shot of that head. And I got more growing here. And ironically, the smaller plants, these are my smaller ones, they're about half the size. They didn't seem like they suffered as much damage. And that's also growing some little heads in there. Here's another one. So I think these suffered the most damage. Now I'm going to take you over to my cauliflower. They did get a little damage. I'm thinking next year, the weather's so funny these days. I'm thinking I need to start this maybe 3 weeks sooner than what I did this time. I don't know what's going to happen. Here's my other cauliflower, the same thing. It's been affected to see how the leaves are curled. And a little bit of insect too, but here's my kohlrabi. Now it's starting to form down here in the base, but it also seemed like it didn't like all that cold weather. It was really, really severe weather. Now I started some bunching onions here, so hopefully they will make it. Some more kohlrabi. Now the spinach didn't seem to be impacted by all that cold weather at all. And I have two types of spinach. This is the dark night with the larger leaves. See how big that leaf is compared to my hand. And here's my other spinach right here. Again, they didn't seem to suffer too much. Here's my lettuce. And that's doing pretty good. Some more lettuce. This is a heading lettuce. That's the iceberg lettuce. And this lettuce right here is the butter crunch. They did pretty good. Here's my collard green plant. This is one of them. It did okay. Not too bad as far as looking frostbitten. That's another one right there. That's a smaller one that I planted. Another one of my collard greens. Some more spinach. Now here's my kale. The kale did fine, maybe a little wilted looking, but they did pretty good. That's one bed of kale. Here's my other bed of kale. Now the kale and the collards and the turnip greens I'm going to show you, I'm going to pick those for cooking for Thanksgiving, for our Thanksgiving meal. This is one of my containers of carrots. And this is my only container of beets that I have left. And here's my blueberry bush. I did a video about my blueberry, how I'm going to winterize it. And here's my raspberry bush, and that's going dormant, just like the blueberry bush. Now here are some of my turnip greens that I'm going to be picking. Some more spinach. Now this turnip green is going to seeds, and I hope to do a video about that later. And this is my oldest container of carrots. I'm going to be harvesting that today. So let's get to harvesting my carrots and my beets. I forgot to show you my second round of radishes. I harvested some radishes earlier and I showed you in another video, but I had planted some more and these are starting to get bigger. So there you have it, fall gardening. And I want to leave you with this thought. Don't be discouraged if you get some frost on some of your vegetables and some of them look a little worse for wear. It's all part of Mother Nature, and I'm still going to have quite a bit of stuff to eat with the kale and the collard greens and the turnip greens, the radishes, and I'm still going to harvest the broccoli robe or broccoli rabe, however you pronounce it, and cook that because it's still eatable and very fresh. If you like that video, hit the thumbs up like button and consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I've uploaded a new video. That's it for now. Bye bye.